Presenting the 2010 Holden Commodore. This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.